Binuksan ko ang Play Store at hinanap ang The Baby. Parang mali. Ano yan? The Baby in Yellow. Meron na pala akong laro nun. Tagal naman mag-loading. Wala. Act 1. Press to start. Ayaw gumana.
Weird in babysitting. You have one.
Okay, ayusin natin ang graphics dahil
Hello.
alam ko mahina yung isagad na natin yan. Mahina yung aking cellphone. Paano ba ayusin ang graphics? Ano to? Walang graphics? Anong daya? Ano naman? Ang mic ko!
I'd like to book a sitter for my little prince.
Okay, medyo ayos naman.
You just need
No.
to meet him and put him to bed. Easy peasy.
Babysitter needed. Will pay double whatever you're paid. Whatever paid now.
Under the plant pot. Take care. Thanks.
May sumigaw lang ba? Hello? Para sobrang taas ng sensitivity. Ano na yung gagawin ko? Apartment. Wow. Find apartment 10, 7, 8, 10. Check under the plant pot. Isusi na tayo. Papusukin natin ang bahay. FBI, open up! Ay, may bata. The baby in yellow. Night 1, the sitter, it's time for bed. The child, is that what you think? Okay, ulitin natin. Is that what you think? Babaan natin yung volume. Tanggalin na lang pala yan. Batang kalbo. Batang kalbo. Ang wala yung meme na yun. Basta nasa boys. Ano sila?
Alan Calvo.
Get bottle from the fridge. Give bottle to baby. Nahulog. Ayos ka lang. 3 point. Wait lang, hirap ng pistohan ko ngayon. Get new nape. Kailangan na to. Saan yung diaper? Kalkalin ko na lang to. Di ba ayusin ang controls? Ay, nako. Take an egg, throw it. Diaper. 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 Rico. Hindi dito lang pala. Nagpakalakad ako. Yung bata. Saway ka talaga. Diaper. Put the baby to sleep. Alam ko kung saan ka dapat natulog dyan. Ayos ang punto doon. Lutuin kita ng buhay. Sa washing machine kaya. Handa ka na bang mamatay? Huwag kang gagalaw. Helicopter, helicopter, copter. Oh, ikot. Ano, laban? Ano, buhay ka pa? Hindi na. Ano, ayan, hindi na siya duling. Ano, laban? Ano, ang prinsesa at ang posa.
Across the shore, in distant lands, with dark stars overhead, the prince was fast asleep until a cat jumped on his bed.
"I found a secret garden,"
said the cat with much delight. Excitedly, they ran outside, explorers in the night. They walked through the golden garden gate.
Look at the pretty trees.
They walked along the pretty pebble path.
Look at the colourful flowers.
They walked past the fabulous flowing fountain.
Look at the dancing water. Look, look, look.
But the prince didn't like the garden and started kicking down the trees. He dug up flowers, grabbed the hedges, and pulled off all the leaves. He ruined everything for fun. The cat watched on in fear.
What a mistake I made.
The cat cried out.
I should never have brought him here.
Ito yung pusa sa kwento. Samahan mo yan. Wait for parents. Watch TV on sofa. Madali akong kausap. May pusa ulit. May ano. Huwag ka matulog. Mamamatay ka pag natulog ka. Ay. She told the baby. Okay. Dito ka sa washing machine. Ba meron dito?
Snow. A curiosity in July, following such a sweet spring. It started when I took this
Okay.
job, but I was not the
Para saan
first.
to?
They are with me.
What the heck? Ngayon ko
Night
lang to
fell
alam.
the first day, and the hours dragged on. Still we cared.
Tatakot ako. Ayaw ko na. No, mabalik na ako sa baba. Hi. Pick up baby. Take baby to bed. What? Gusto ko talaga to puntahan. Kaso takot ako. Hindi pala ganun nakakatakot. Madilim lang siya. Madilim lang. Watch TV on the soap. Yung pusa. Ultra low definition unlocked. Matulog ka, mamamatay ka. Magkano kayong toasty 4,000? Ay, nako. Ano, night 2 na? Night 2 na? Okay, night 2 na.